check it out. Microwave and something else. Of course, that's gonna be, let's get, oh, I got it. It's just a cord. I say just a cord. But I got a little workstation right here to get stuff. Alright. This might be a little, oh, and it's wet down there too. There we go, come on. Come on, baby. It's okay. Oh, brother. What is this? DVD, VCD, CD player. We'll take. Let's see if I can get this out of there. What is this gonna be? Oh man, that might be difficult. Oh, come on. All I need to do is get the cord close to me and I can get this out of there. But can I do it? The cord's right there. Come on. There we go, I got a hold of it. We'll get that out of there, hopefully. Oh, brother. Come on, babe. Pig stick, you're not helping. Okay, I'm gonna immediately take this over to the truck because it is muy heavy. And last night on the way to work, picked that up. It's got a plow and some other stuff to it. I might just load this stuff up, cut the cord somewhere else. So I'm gonna call that good. I want to flip that over there so it lays down on its top. There we go. I think this is scrap metal. No, it's not much scrap metal, but I don't want the box. Yeah, it's not much scrap metal at all, but very lightweight. I'll put the box over by the recycling there. Oh, 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 just about tipped over. There we go. Yeah. That's kind of neat. Like a mini meat press. This is plastic. That's all right. Check it out. I don't even know if that's steel. I don't think it is. And I think, nope, think I'm gonna hang on to that. That's pretty neat. Can't park on a narrow road. Just grabbing and chucking them in their driveway. That's not where I should be, but I'm gonna get these and skedaddle. Hey, come on. Come on. Is this stuck on there? Yeah. Okay, the hell with it. Just take it, wood and all. Come on. More pieces of wood then. Okay. Good enough. Yeah, it's pretty slim pickings today, folks. Not much out, but that's probably the best metal part right there. We'll take all of it. Metal inside there. Take a ride. I'm gonna see if it's still here. Yep. Lousy as a street run I had this morning, I am taking this. It's metal. Oh, let me get it out of here. Oh man. Okay. Not you. How buried are you? Yeah, you're right there. We just got to get you out of that stuff. Come on. Wow. Without making a mess. Come on, baby. Okay, and there's a cord. No. I'll take that too. And this little piece. Yeah, somebody moved out or got thrown out or something. Somebody drinks a lot of Michelob. Or no, that's Modelo. Yeah, somebody threw a whole couch in here. That's ridiculous. Oh. There we go. Kids. Let's go throw this in the back of the truck. Okay. You know me in concrete. On the bottom of lamps. Do not like giving that to the scrapyard, so at some point before I go, which will probably be Wednesday, by the look of things, I gotta tell you, who'd have thought that this would be the best pick of the day? I mean, that stuff's really lightweight. I know you're gonna give me, oh, it's probably antique, you could sell it. No, I'm not gonna sell it. I don't do resale. This thing's sort of heavy, but it's a lot of plastic. Yeah, I was seriously hoping for more today, folks, but maybe tomorrow will be better. We will see. All right, I'm going in. See you guys in the next segment. I didn't see this on the way in. Little grill. I'll take it. Yeah, it's not heavy, but it's scrap metal. I'm gonna check that bin right there too. I think I see some window treatments. Now I did get some more junk yesterday. Found this lamp. I had a few errands to run, or lamp fan, and I found this lamp in the dumpster by where I live. If this got glass, I'm not taking it. Oh, there's a fan. Yeah, that's got glass in it, folks. I don't... Oh, wait a minute. There's stuff... Okay. Oh, there, I know what that is. Oh, now I can smell it. Ooh, God, that's not good. Yeah, there's some extruded aluminum in there. Look at that. Yeah, it was pretty slim pickings yesterday. This is the cloverleaf. I know I'm just chucking junk in, but... So my plan is... Oh, okay. I'm gonna only take what's clean here, folks. Oh, jeez. Nope. Ouch. Ouch much? Yeah. Stuff's unattached. I just want the easy stuff. So another piece right there. Yep. Okay, I'll throw this in the back and then we'll put that bag back in there. Some of that poked right through the glove. Alright. Oh, not bad. Had a little grill. And yeah, I don't want that over there. Some blinds. I think they're just vinyl anyways. There we go. Alright folks, I'm going to, oh, I should have backed up a little further. Maybe not. I'm going to attempt this. I think I got to pull it this way. Yeah, nothing broke, nothing broke. I'm good. I think it's still going. So I pulled this door, thinking that attached it wasn't, but I got it up in there. And maybe with some weight. That was cool. See if there's more. I'm kidding. Let's get out of here. We're blocking a road. Yeah, I had to bungee that big joker down. Tight as a rock and roll snare drum. Doesn't go anywhere, it's rocking back and forth really bad. Here's some light housings. Would like light housings? Okay. You can all come out at once, I hope. Come on. There we go. Hey, come on. Kinda don't like that. Get over there. Really? You're that much of a hassle. Shouldn't be that much of a hassle. There we go. Yeah, I got my uniform all dirty. Woohoo! Well, it never fails. You gotta take the good with the bad. And here's some bad. Is that even metal? I hope so. Let's grab the magnet and find out. Yep. Oh, brother. Okay, as long as I'm here, I saw something over here I thought might be steel. And it turns out it's not, it's just cardboard. And then I'm not digging to cut the brass off of this, because that's buried well and good, so no thanks. Moving on. Some other stuff back there. The only question I have about this is, forget it. It's all wrapped up. Oh. I'll take these. Nice thick steel rod. Morning. that's gonna do it. Yep. Believe it or not, that's 10 pounds. Someone said you should park closer to the stuff that you're picking up. Well, this car's here. I'm on the other side of the street. Ooh, there's a lid to something. Something in here? Negative. I'll take this piece of breakage. Yeah. So I learned my lesson with the breakage, folks. It's 15 cents a pound versus 12 cents for sheet steel. So I want to go check that other bin real quick. So I'll be taking it, throwing it out as breakage, but that will be it. Yeah, I don't want that bucket. Okay, wait. There's the metal piece that lid was to, I think. Yeah, it's a little dirty, but we'll take it. Oh no, that's a car headlight. Forget it. All right, I'll take this. Giant cook pot or something. Greasy. God, that thing was a nice find, right? Yeah, just have to go up here. That won't go anywhere. All right. God, my pants are dirty. Nah. Can put a damp cloth to them. Got a little more street here to check, and then around the corner visual, and if I find nothing, then we're off to the boss's place. I think I see maybe something up here. Maybe. Indeed, a box fan. Woohoo! We'll get it. It's still got its cord and everything. Yeah, my hands are not that wide. Yeah, we'll just take it that way. Let me make this stay put. Kind of like dirt. It's gonna bounce a little bit, but that should be all right. Let's move on. All right, folks, I've made the decision. I'm gonna go to the scrapyard because this thing flops way too much, even at 30-35 miles an hour. So while I can go 30-35 miles an hour to the scrapyard, I'm gonna do that and get this dumped off. I am picking up one piece here at the garage before we go to the scrapyard. This thing right here. It's all steel. Yeah. About right here. Yep. Well, we shall see, shall we? Huh? I don't know if I like that or not. Maybe up here. That'll work. This piece of steel that I can go to the yard today and I don't have to deal with it afterwards. Anything else new? Don't think so. Don't think so. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I want to check something real quick. If this doesn't magnet, I want to scrape it. Not steel. Guess can go. Not heavy enough to make a difference. So, alright. That's gonna be it.
In the pile of cars, we bought that day.
No,
You bought it today?
Yep. No, yesterday.
Yesterday.
Oh, yesterday.
We blew up the trans right over here. Neutral was dry. That's all we had left. Shit, man. Well, good to see you. We gotta get going. We'll see you guys later.
Alright, man. Teenage brains, folks. Good kid. Hustler, him and his friend. Big hustlers. Good feeling about this load. 3820 going in. Let's go dump this junk off. Okay. Come on. Thing has been scaring me since I hooked it up. Oh yeah, that's right, that's a little, okay, so. This one is nabbing me down here. Okay, this is not working right here. So we're gonna get out of the way. Now, take care of that when I get this unloaded. What am I doing? Why don't I just cut it? Don't be a dummers. Only cords, right? Come. Same with this one. Just cut it off right here. That's it. All right. I'm gonna let this go today only. Yes, I know. You're leaving wires behind, I know. We got a cord. That's it. I was done with it. Gone. Come on. Come on. Shoot. Yeah, it's hooked around that. It's hooked around that plow right over there. Right here. Nope. This is good stuff. Don't forget that. Oi. Come on. This is good stuff. Cord G. It's all good extruded right there. Come on, baby. Over there. There you go. Do this without killing myself. There you go. Had all those plugs down in there. Okay. So we hit 380 pounds. All right, I'll be back out with the cash in a flash. All right, folks, I took so much money out of there today that I gotta count it this way. 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I don't know if you can tell, but the building kind of tilted that way because of how much I took out of there today. It's not too bad, 39 bucks. All right, cranking the window down because it is getting warm out. And I like cool driving breezes. All right, let's get on the road. Oh, gotta wait for this truck. Oh, okay, what is he doing? Can't tell what he's doing. Okay, he's not doing anything. Nice turn signal, person. Truck. So, as you saw, I kept back that extruded aluminum in the back of the truck. I got more at the garage, and I'm gonna cut those ladders down, have a nice big extruded load, or a decent extruded load. I'm gonna take care of those pots and pans, get the cast aluminum, bring that in, and maybe I can get at some sheet aluminum too, the downspouts and other stuff like that for a full aluminum load. That'd be cool tomorrow or Thursday, one of the two. Depends on how haggard I am tomorrow morning when I get out of work. So, alright folks, I hope you had a good time, because quite honestly, the first few days, first few spots in the video, iffy on the scrap, but it picked up at the end. I mean, I got that microwave out of the dumpster on Sunday, and got that plow Sunday night, and then the good picks this morning. Monday was kind of so, but it turned out okay. Turned out okay. I'm not disappointed. All right, one love to everybody, and as always, folks, have a wonderful, wonderful day.